chew. To crush with the teeth by repeated closing and opening of the jaws, done to food to soften it and break it down by the action of saliva before it is swallowed. To grind, tear, or otherwise degrade or demolish something with teeth or as with teeth. Informal, to think about something, to ponder, to chew over. The act of chewing, mastication with the mouth. Level of chewiness. A small sweet, such as a taffy, that is eaten by chewing. Informal, uncountable, chewing tobacco. Countable or uncountable, a plug or wad of chewing tobacco, chaw or a chaw. Uncountable, informal, the condition of something being torn or ground up mechanically. C H E W chew.